Respect and remembrance for him. We'll have a 1-minute condolence official turf, and I'm sure this is going to be a very successful one. It's very hard to see from here which team has more potential to win today. Ladies and gentlemen, the one from the blue jersey is from the Sdang team, and the one who